and then it is this. There. Hi guys, and welcome back to the show. I'm making tea, cookie, backy, sitting. Today we are gonna make pizzas. Are we going to make pizzas? It's gonna be so yummy. Okay. Papa has the pink bowl and I have the orange bowl, and we are going to make super circles. Look, they're all over here. And they're waiting for the topping. Now we have the toppings. Oh no, where's the shit? I will get it for a second. Oh, it tastes. That isn't cheese. I said this is cheese. Like that is my sauce. Look, these are our toppings. Cheese and ham and pineapple. They're all finished. We are going to put them all in the oven. This is a big. There's a bit in here. It will be 10 minutes and we are going to put them over here. Okay.